How to establish a good partnership. Welcome back to Real Estate TV. I'm Adnan Jalu. The saying no man is an island is 100% true, because today we don't do anything without the help of other people. So if you don't want to make the rookie mistake starters are doing, then the information I'll be sharing in this video will be your savior. So watch till the end. In the business of real estate, you can't afford to be a lone ranger. In fact, it's impossible to accomplish your goal on your own, no matter what your goal is, and no one is expecting you to do quite the opposite. We're expecting you to build an extensive team and a close-knit team that will be your most valuable resource. Having a team of experts on call is not free and it is not cheap. Those are the two biggest reasons why many inexperienced investors make a rookie mistake. They try to do almost everything themselves. Sure, they may save a few dollars in the short run, but they usually lose in the long run. Without experts on your team, deals take longer to find, evaluate, and close. So there's value of your time and the loss of valuable opportunities. Do it yourself as missed details experts will see in a minute, like clauses in contracts, obvious defects in constructions, and hundreds if not thousands of other issues experts would point up upfront. An expert team on your side means you'll have fewer surprises as you wade through the sometimes turbulent water of purchasing, managing a property. Surprises are wonderful on bad days, but the kind of surprises that come from investment property are usually not very welcome. Some partnerships are doomed to fail from the start, while others are doomed to succeed. What determines the success or failure of a partnership? And here are some characteristics that all successful partnerships share. 1. Healthy debate. You should have room for your debate before decisions are made. 2. Open-mindedness. You shouldn't have to spend valuable time continually convincing your partner of your goals. 3. Commitment. You should be committed to each other and your goals. 4. Similar values. You and your partner should share the same values. 5. Accountability. You and your partner push each other to achieve objectives and have mutual accountability. These characteristics will guide you in establishing a great partnership in your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has provided some helpful information. Please remember to subscribe, like, and looking forward to seeing you in the future videos.